If you want to know how to promote your YouTube channel for free, then you're in luck. I'm going to give you 7 different ways that you can promote your YouTube channel, and make sure to stick around until the 7th and final one, because it's something you'll be able to do without even having to leave this video. What's up guys, I'm Joe Evans here to help you grow your YouTube channel, and the first way you can promote your channel is using Facebook groups. Now before I tell you what kind of groups you should be posting in, I'm just going to tell you what groups you shouldn't post in, and those are groups about growing on YouTube, especially sub-4 subgroups. Posting in these kind of groups is a bad idea. Firstly, because people most likely won't watch. They're just full of people spamming their own links. And secondly, if people do watch, they're most likely not going to be naturally interested in the topic of your channel. And this will really confuse the algorithm. When the algorithm gets confused, it won't push your videos out to anybody. Instead, find groups that are about the main topic of your channel. Let's say, for instance, you vlog your life in a traveling camper van. The best place to share your videos would be in one of these van life groups. If you review parenting products, then you could post in this bag and buys for busy mums group. Or if you make Minecraft videos, then you could post in any of the many Minecraft groups out there. Another thing you can do is create your own Facebook group and post your content in there. You could also have the link to your channel in the group's description, giving you constant evergreen exposure. Okay, the second way to promote your channel for free is on Reddit. Very similar to Facebook groups, you can also post in relevant Reddit subreddits. The main thing to note here is that subreddits have quite strict rules about self-promotion. Each subreddit will have their own separate set of rules, so make sure to read them before you post anything. Another thing you might find is that you're not able to actually post in the subreddit you want to just yet. Reddit has a karma system which requires you to build up karma points by meaningfully interacting with the community. This prevents Reddit from being overrun with bots and spam. So just make sure to go in and contribute by replying to others, liking others' comments, and generally being helpful before you do any kind of self-promotion. The third way to promote your channel is through Pinterest. Pinterest is often a very overlooked place to promote your YouTube videos, even though YouTube make it very easy to actually share directly to that platform. If you go to one of your videos and click the share button, you'll find the Pinterest option. This will take you over to Pinterest, where you can add your video to any of the boards you've created. And if it doesn't fit into any of your existing boards, you can create a new one for it. And if you want to give yourself even more chance of getting clicks on Pinterest, then I would actually recommend creating a brand new custom pin for it and linking your YouTube video to it. This way, instead of the image being your YouTube thumbnail, which has a horizontal aspect ratio, you'll be able to create a brand new one which has a square or a vertical aspect ratio, both of which perform much better on Pinterest and should equal more engagement. The fourth place to promote your YouTube channel is Quora. If you have an educational channel of any kind, then Quora can be a really effective place to promote your videos. Essentially, Quora is a question and answer site. And if you're providing answers to questions with your videos, then it would be really beneficial for you to find those questions on Quora and post your videos as answers. For example, if you're a fitness channel and you've made a video about losing fat and building muscle at the same time, I would do a search on Quora for build muscle, lose fat, and you can see that there are a lot of people asking how to do this. All you would need to do then is go into these questions and post your video as your answer. To make sure you're not just being spammy, I would provide a lot of the information in text in your post, and then say if you want even more information, then watch this video right here. And you don't necessarily need an educational channel to make the most out of Quora. Let's say you have a channel all about the Marvel Cinematic Universe, and it's more of an opinions channel. If you've made a video on who you think is the best character in the whole of the MCU, you could type best MCU character into Quora, and you'll see that there are a load of people asking for opinions on this, and everyone who views that question and all of its answers will be naturally highly interested in what you have to say about it. Another thing, if you see a question on Quora that has a lot of attention, but you haven't made a video answering that question just yet, why not create a video from scratch and then post it as the answer to that question a few days later? Okay, the fifth way to promote your channel is by posting your videos to video sharing sites. There are sites out there that are specifically designed for YouTubers to share their content. Some examples are DrumItUp, Trending, and Sharey. All of these allow you to post for free, but some will encourage you to pay for your videos to stay pinned for extra visibility. Now, there are some positives and some negatives to posting to these sites, and it largely depends on the type of channel you have and the amount of reach you already have. If you have a very specific audience, you already have a bit of a following on YouTube, and your videos naturally get some views every time you post them, then I would actually recommend staying away from these sites. The reason is they put your content in front of a wide range of viewers with a wide range of viewing habits, and it's not beneficial to your channel to have just anybody watching your content. It's much better for you to keep attracting the kind of viewers who are only interested in the topic of your channel. But if you have a channel that has a very broad appeal, for example, one that provides entertainment for the whole family to enjoy, and you don't have much of a subscriber base just yet, then sharing your videos to these kind of sites could actually be useful. You see, when you're first starting out, YouTube won't put your content in front of anybody. It needs a bit of a nudge to get that ball rolling. Sharing on these sites will not get you hundreds of thousands of views directly, but they might get you a few hundred views that you would not have got organically. And those few hundred views has the potential to make the YouTube algorithm pick up your content and put it in front of a few more people, allowing it to possibly take off. Okay, the sixth way to promote your channel for free is with a free Google Ads voucher. For most YouTubers, the idea of paying for adverts to promote your channel is completely out of the question. But did you know that Google actually gives you $150, or the equivalent in your country, here in the UK is £120, to spend on advertising? All you need to do is go to ads.google.com, enter your email address and click Get the Offer Code. You'll immediately be sent your code in an email. And once you're signed up to Google Ads, you can enter this code to claim your free credit. As long as you select the correct audience to put your adverts in front of, you should see a significant boost in views on your videos and hopefully get a few new subscribers at the same time. One important thing to note though is that when your credit runs out and your videos stop running as adverts, you will see a significant drop in views again. And it's easy to get discouraged by this. Just be careful to not judge the success of your future videos by the ones that you boosted with advertising, and just enjoy that extra bit of exposure that free credit was able to give you. Okay, at the beginning of this video, I said the seventh and final way would allow you to promote your channel without having to even leave this video. And that is because it is to promote your channel in the comment section of this video. That is right, I encourage you to tell others about your channel in the comments below. Now, I wouldn't simply say something like, please come check out my channel or please watch my videos. That's going to attract a really random viewership and that's not what you want. I would recommend commenting a short description telling potential viewers and subscribers exactly what your channel is about. As long as you're really clear about the nature of your content, you never know, there might be one or more fellow YouTubers browsing the comment section who are interested in exactly the kind of content that you create. That's it guys, if you found this information helpful, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for this channel so you don't miss any of the helpful videos that I've got coming up. And if you want to know how to get more subscribers, then click this video right here, because in it I show you 3 ways that you can get more subscribers right now. Thank you so much for watching, good luck promoting your channels, and I will see you over in this video.